Today is an important day for Anne. She is starting a new job. She is a manager in a big firm. Her new office is in the city. She is tall and pretty. She has short red hair and blue eyes. Today, she is wearing a black skirt and a black jacket. Her blouse is light blue. Her shoes are black. She looks great. Now, answer the questions. Number 1. Why is today important? Why is today important? Number 2. What is Anne's job? What is Anne's job? Number 3. Where is her new office? Where is her new office? Number 4. Is she short? Is she short? Number 5. Is she pretty? Is she pretty? Number 6. What color is her hair? What color is her hair? Number 7. What color are her eyes? What color are her eyes? Number 8. What is she wearing today? What is she wearing today? Number 9. What color is her blouse? What color is her blouse? Number 10. How does she look? How does she look? Okay, now check your work. Number 1. Why is today important? She is starting a new job. Number 2. What is Anne's job? She is a manager. Number 3. Where is her new office? It is in the city. Number 4. Is she short? No, she isn't. Number 5. Is she pretty? Yes, she is. Number 6. What color is her hair? Her hair is red. Number 7. What color are her eyes? Her eyes are blue. Number 8. What is she wearing today? She's wearing a black skirt and jacket, a blue blouse, and black shoes. Number 9. What color is her blouse? It is light blue. Number 10. How does she look? She looks great. All right, good job, and we'll see you next time.